To draw something on photos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we're gonna open the gallery and then we're gonna choose the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I want to draw something on this photo over here. Then we're gonna tap on this pen that we have at the bottom of the screen. And now we should be able to use this smiley face with a pen. Over here we have the draw option. You can also tap on this pen to make some adjustments like the thickness of the line and the transparency. We can also choose what type of line you want to use, and the color can be switched as well. Once you choose everything, you can just close this window and then you can start drawing anything you want to draw on your picture. There we go. Now once you are done, you can just tap on either on this save button here to save and replace the original photo, or tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to find save copy. So this edited photo is going to be saved separately. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.